detailed engineering design of MRT4 has been undertaken by IDEM Consulting, Engineering and Architecture. Under the latest plans, the new elevated metro line will be 15.56 kilometers long, serving 11 stations. It will connect Quezon City and Pasig City in Metro Manila with the towns of Cainta and Taytay in Rizal. November 1, 2023. 11 stations will go through areas like Quezon City, San Juan City, Mandaluyong City, Ortigas Center in Pasig City, to Cainta and Taytay in Rizal. Ridership is pegged at the exact amount of 234,433 passengers, though the number is expected to grow. December 11, 2023. The total cost of developing Metro Rail Transit Line 4 MRT4 in Manila has increased from P59.3 billion to 87 billion Philippine pesos due to changes in the project design and technology. The line will be a generally elevated mass rapid transit MRT railway with 2 tracks. 1. Originally approved as a heavy monorail line in its MRT Line 4 iteration, the project description for scoping PDS published in September 2022 presented the possible options of constructing the line as a monorail, a light rail transit, or as a mass rapid transit MRT system. One of the 3 options, the MRT option was strongly recommended by IDOM due to ease of maintenance and abundance of technical suppliers. In addition to this, studies conducted by IDOM also determined that the ridership demand along the San Juan-Rizal corridor was higher than expected. Because of this, the recommendation to use a MRT system was accepted by the Department of Transportation later that month. 2. The guideway will use 3 different girder designs for the elevated sections: segmental box, precast concrete U-type and dapped-end girders. However, the design of the box girders will be different to that of the North-South commuter railway, having a more rounded U-shape than that of the boxier design of the NSCR girders. 1. The line is expected to have a headway of 4 minutes, and can be further lessened to 2 minutes with the introduction of CBTC signaling. Rolling stock it. The line will initially use 5-car electric multiple-unit trains. The stations are also designed for an expansion to 6 cars. The car length for each train is 20 meters, 65 feet 7 in, including couplers, which would mean a total length of 100 meters, 328 feet 1 in, for the initial 5-car trains and 120 meters, 393 feet 8 in for the 6-car trains. A 5-car train is capable of carrying 1,000 passengers. To achieve the 4-minute headway target, up to 35 train sets shall be ordered, which corresponds to the number of rolling stock operators in the operation stage. 1. The trains will also be 2.8 meters, 9 feet 2 in wide. The electrification system will be at 1,500 volts DC using overhead lines as with the LRT Line 2 in the North-South commuter railway. Depot edit. The project description for scoping PDS report recommends the construction of the depot at the former Excelsior Villas site in Taytay, Rizal. It is located at the Rizal end of the line near the Municipal Hall. Other options include a vacant lot beside SM Taytay and at the Comico compound in Pasig. The other 2 sites were put as secondary alternative locations to the Excelsior site as these require additional land acquisition. The Comico location would also need a significant realignment in the right-of-way. 1. The depot is expected to have a 24-hour operation and will have stabling facilities, stabling track, traverser system, train storage, workshops and substation facilities.